Welcome back. Anjunkar celebrated Feast of Saint Michael the Archangel on Sunday. This is the 408th year of the church's existence. Thousands of devotees flocked to Anjuna Church to seek blessings of Saint Michael.
The Feast of Saint Michael the Archangel was celebrated on Sunday. Actually, St. Michael's special day is celebrated on September 29, but the Anjuna parish always celebrate the feast on the following Sunday. Thousands of devotees flock to the church to seek blessings of patron of Anjuna village.
We have celebrated this feast as a sign of communion of communities. Everyone participated. This has been going on for years because this has been the church for 408 years old.
The Mass on Sunday was followed by the procession around the church. Our reporter from Anjuna, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
And now news from sports. Japan's J-League is one of the best run club football tournaments in the world. It is for this reason representatives from I-League clubs were taken on a week-long tour of the J-League by the AIFF. Representatives of Sporting Club de Goa, Dempo Sports Club and I-League champs Salgaonkar feel the J-League is marketed far better with far superior crowd participation and community involvement. Some of the aspects can be easily implemented in India. Watch this report. Representatives from Salgaonkar Sports Club, Sporting Club and from Dempo Sports Club described their experience.
When we went to Japan, we saw that the structure of J-League was somewhat similar to that of India when it comes to ownership of the clubs. Most of the clubs were owned by the public limited companies in Japan like Nissan, Mitsubishi, Japan Electric and lot of other companies. What used to happen is before 1993, all these clubs used to play with their company names in the J-League, in the Japanese league. It wasn't J-League that time. So when J-League happened in 1993, all the clubs kept the ownership intact, but they changed their names to be very city specific. It was a very good learning experience for us. We saw all the kind of merchandising that they were doing, the way they were organizing their matches, the way they were getting volunteers to organize all the matches, and it was an amazing experience.
Sporting Club de Goa are the only Goan I-League club who will be organizing their own home matches without GFA's assistance. Visit to Japan proved great learning experience for Flaming Orange.
Maybe in future, maybe 5 years down the line, whatever we have learnt, we can implement. But right now, I can tell you straight away that we are in a position to organize our 13 matches as required by AFF and AFC.
There are different things what we can do because I'm part of GFA also for many years. But what we need is like you need boys accompanying the team. Then you can do like escorts, volunteers. Then we can have some entertainment during the interval time or before the match. But problem here is people come for matches when it is just 10 minutes to go.
Any plans of taking some kiosks of Sporting Club de Goa out there at Fatoda and selling your merchandise and getting the fans even more closer to Sporting?
Yeah, that we have already planned. That we are going to surely do this time.
We don't associate Japan on par with the European football countries, but what we saw there was absolutely fantastic, and probably they are on par or maybe even slightly better than France or Netherlands or some of the European countries that don't have a very big league. On paper, they are the 7th best league in the world, but from what I saw, they are probably 4th or 5th in the world. I think the major issue what we are not doing right now is marketing and proper fan development activities, and we are not doing enough to build a fan base. I think that is addressed very well in Japan. There's a lot of community development, a lot of fan development activities, a lot of activities held to build the fan base of the clubs, and this is where we are lacking, I think, in India.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. Vasco Sports Club beat visiting Casa Portugal de Macau in a friendly on Sunday, but the meeting between the two was more than just a football match. Spirit of football and gratitude was the standout factor. Former Vasco player Jose Martins remembered his times in Goa when late Noel de Lima Leitão had brought the Portuguese to Goa.
I only bring my team here about Mr. Noel because he's the great man, bring the Vasco club, also the Goa people football, because my team come here to congratulate Vasco to make this game for Mr. Noel.
Pale had been brought to the club at the time of Mr. Noel de Lima Leitão, and with high regards from Mr. Noel de Lima Leitão, he wanted to come back to the same place where he had played, and he got in touch with Nanthara ma'am, and this team is here because of Nanthara ma'am and the coordination between him and Pele. As far as that, the benefit that is there, an association continues with the team, with the ex-players, with friendly nations, with the people and fans of Vasco and Goa.
As for the match, an early goal from the penalty spot sealed the fate of the Macau team. Vasco missed a lot of chances thereafter. Here are some highlights. Jose Martins presented a medallion to late Noel's wife, Nayantara. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.